Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some tips to fix Sons of the Forest crashing, not working, not launching, stuttering, and lagging. So the first thing we need to do is make sure the system stay up to date. To do that, go to Settings. Select System. Select Windows Update. Select Check for updates. If there is an update available, then update it. Next, go to check if there are any updates of the graphics driver. When you have done the above things well, the problem still occurs. Then verify integrity of game files. To do that, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Right-click on Sons of the Forest, then select Properties. Select Local Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. This may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the size of the games and your internet connection. Most of the time, this solution resolves the problem. Method 3. Close any unnecessary background applications. Unnecessary background apps can sometimes cause conflicts, causing the game to crash. For example, apps that have overlays, MSI Afterburner, Razer Cortex's Booster, third-party antivirus software, etc. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Slow and unstable internet is also one of the causes of this problem. So make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection to play online games. Method 5. Stop XMP and overclock. Overclocking RAM, CPU or VGA can make your system unstable or overheat and cause this error. So try to stop all overclocking before launching Sons of the Forest. In addition, you should also update the BIOS to increase stability and compatibility between hardware. Finally, try play the game at the low settings, and optimize Nvidia control panel for gaming. You can refer to how to optimize Nvidia control panel for gaming using the video linked in the description. That's guys, hope these help you.